Are you sleeping? Okay, oh, okay, you're there. Hi, darling. Hi, darling. Hi, boo boo. Oh my gosh. Welcome back again to another video. How are you all doing today? Welcome if you're new here, and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. I do appreciate it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what is in my hospital bag. Like, we finally ready. I actually packed my bag due to the list that was given to me by the clinic, so I only just added few stuff. If they ask for like 5 boardings is actually body suits. If they ask for like 5 bodysuits, I'll give them 6 or 7. So yeah, I have about 7 sleep suits. Once I think they ask for about 5, so I added 2, making it 7. So I'm packing 7 bodysuits. I don't know if that's too much, but yeah. So here I have 2 fitted sheets for hospital bed. I asked for 2 fitted sheets, so I'm packing 2. I'm not packing 3. So another thing I have here is this. I don't even know what they call it, but they always ask this here at the hospital. Is very warm and is a knitted I don't know what, I think something like cardigan. But yeah, this is how it looks, and this is the second one. This is the third one. So I am packing a total of 3. So another thing I have here is this baby sleep bag. So I packed 2 swaddler. This is the first time I'm actually going to be using swaddler. I didn't use it for my first child, but I want to try it out this time. And I heard that it's very I heard that it make baby sleep, although I don't really like the idea of, you know, tying their hand, but I just want to try it out and see. And another thing I have here is a towel, and I'm packing 2 as well. Another thing I have here is a receiving blanket. Although they didn't ask for it, but I just decided to pack this. It's so soft, and you know, I think it's going to be very helpful. Also, I have 1 packet of cotton pad, baby sponge, shower sponge. Inside this bag that says baby necessity, I have changing cream and 20 pieces of diaper. I think they asked for 1 packet. So 1 packet of newborn diaper contains 20 or 22 pieces. So I think I have about 20 to 22 pieces. So here I have about 6 or 7 body suits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 body suits. And also I'm packing about 4 bibs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm also packing about 6 socks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I love this cap so much. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna be taking 2 meetings. But here I have about 10 wash clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These ones are very tiny. I have a total of 10, and I decided to just pack everything. Baby shoes, I know we might not use it, but let me just pack it. Another thing I have here is our coming home outfit. I decided to pick this one. I just love this kit outfit. It's very beautiful. Yeah, wipes, although they said I should not bring wipe, but I'm just taking this just for me in case I need it. Another thing I have here is a baby comb and brush, and also I'm taking a thermometer, trash bag. I have a trash bag inside it, and I'm taking it just for in case you have anything to trash. I'll be taking a pacifier. So I bought 4 pacifier from different brands. So I bought one from Avon, Philip Avon, and I also bought one from a brand they call Modern Phone here. So I have one from Avon and another one from Modern Phone. In case she doesn't like the one from Avon, we'll switch to the one from Modern Phone. So another thing I have here is this newborn slogan photography pop to announce the arrival of your baby, or maybe to take photos. So taking this one with me to the hospital, just in case we want to be extra, we want to take photos, you know what I mean. So yeah, I think that's basically all I packed for baby girl. Yeah, so let's move to mama's bag. Okay, so inside this wash bag I have my everything that I use to wash my body. So like I have my face wash here with this cream, and also I have body oil. Yeah, have a very dry skin, and I always, you know, use oil to moisturize my body. Tummy is showing. And also another thing I have here, my face toner, glycolic face toner from The Ordinary. Of course, with my toner I'll be using a face costing pad, body cream, my vitamin C. So the only thing I don't have inside this wash bag is my body wash, toothbrush and toothpaste. I'm going to be packing that one when we're ready to go to the hospital. Here is my suitcase, and I'm going to roll you guys through what I have here. All right. Okay, one indoor slippers, bath towel. I have one bathrobe. It's my postpartum bed. All this from AliExpress, nursing clothes. When you want to breastfeed outside, when people come to visit you in the hospital, then you breastfeed your baby, use this to cover up, and it's breathable. Here I have nipple cream, and also I have my hand cream. So for the outfit, I'm taking this long gown with me. So I bought this from H&M. So another thing I'm taking with me is this top. It's super comfortable. Why not? So this one, taking it with me to the hospital. So I'm taking about 2 t-shirts all in black, and I have one trouser. This is another top that I'm taking, 3 pair of socks, and also I have this nursing 2-piece, a shirt and a trouser, very nice for nursing. Love it, and it's from Shein. I have not used it. Also I am packing 2 PJs, this pink one and this one. So I'm packing 3 nursing bra, 3 postpartum pants, and inside this bag I have 1 packet of Always Discreet. A friend of mine recommended this to me. This is how they look. They're kind of big. And I've also watched a lot of videos about it, and they're saying that this is the best. So I have 1 packet like this inside this bag. I almost forgot to show you guys this one. And also I'll be taking a nursing breast pad, perineal bottle, and also I'll be taking a breast milk storage bag, just in case I don't know if I'll be able to breastfeed, or I don't just know, but I just feel like taking this one, just, you know, in case of necessity. I'm gonna put this one in my mommy's treasure bag. Yeah, this is the handbag that I'm gonna be carrying, because this one is a little bit big, so everything I feel like taking will fit in. I have my, you know, my documents, my hospital file, things that I can quickly reach for. I have my camera lens, you know, lip gloss, my snacks. My phone is gonna be in here, my camera battery, my microphone, my, you know, basically my filming equipment. I'm gonna put everything inside one bag and put it inside this bag in case I want to use it. So like sitting on the floor like this is killing me. Here is our bum at 38 weeks and 3 days, basically 39 weeks. Yeah, it's what it's looking like, my baby. Oh my god. So guys, that's everything, and I want to thank you all so much for your love and support. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your like, comment, share. I do appreciate every one of you. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay kitty, and I will see you all in my next video. Let's not forget, if you feel like I need to add something to it, there's anything you feel like forget to pack, feel free to leave it in the comment section. We really appreciate that. I don't really know what to pack for me, so I just packed baby stuff according to the list that they gave me. Bye guys. Wow.